this tutorial, we are going to be looking at how you can sign up on Weidian.com. Okay, of course, you must have been hearing about Weidian app. What is Weidian app all about, and how do you go about it? What are the things that you are likely to purchase on this app? Okay, so let me quickly give you a quick review or a quick summary about Weidian. Weidian is just like an e-commerce app, just like our regular 168 app, 𝐶𝐤𝐿 app, Pinduoduo apps, Taobao app. But when it comes to Weidian, you can shop basically new items on this platform. You can also buy used items from this platform. And when we look at Weidian, we also have different sorts of categories on these apps. You can meet with retailers on this app. You can also meet with wholesalers on this app, and you can also buy your electric items, your gadget related items, your Nike item, sports item, hoodies, shoes, and all sorts of things on these apps. Okay, and we have varieties of, when it comes to the sign up options, we have different varieties of signing up on this platform. You can either use your phone number to sign up. You can either use Taobao to sign up, which is what I'm still going to be doing practically in this tutorial. This is just to give you a quick overview about this app and how you can also go about signing up. Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can sign up on your mobile app and also how you can download the app. That makes it two-in-one tutorial. The first is how you can download the app. The second is how you can sign up, because we have different sign up methods. If you want to use your PC, we have different sign up method for PC. And also if you want to use your mobile phone, we also have different method when it comes to iPhone or your Android devices. Okay, so if you want me to record in this tutorial, what I'm going to be doing is to use my iPhone, which is my mobile device, to record the sign up process and how you can download this video. And I'm going to, after this video now, I'm going to be creating a playlist for this Weidian, because I'm not going to be stopping here. Okay, this video will be a playlist which is going to be involving how you can download and sign up, how you can get your warehouse address, that's how you can get it down to your country. That is what we mean by warehouse address. And also we are going to be looking at how you can shop successfully, the available payment method you can use, how you can chat with suppliers, what are the questions you need to ask from these suppliers so they don't scam you. Okay, and I've also recorded a video on how you can also, on the platform that you can use to get used gadgets from, which are 𝐶𝐤𝐿. I've also created a playlist on 𝐶𝐤𝐿 as well. So you can do what to check the description button of this tutorial. I've created a playlist. You can go there, look for, watch these tutorials and get your mobile devices from there. Both used devices. They sell basically the same thing with this Weidian, but just little differences. But the best thing I love about this Weidian is just that they don't do a real name authentication, unlike 𝐶𝐤𝐿. 𝐶𝐤𝐿 offer real name authentication, and on this platform you don't need a real name authentication. Once you're done signing up, you can just start buying directly. Okay, so we are also available for procurement. If you want us to help you handle your procurement, your shipping services, and if you also want us to help you create an account and give you the login details directly, these are services we render. Okay, without further ado, let's go and download our Weidian app and also sign up on this platform. See you on the other side of the tutorial. Right, very quickly today, let's look at how we can get started registering our Weidian app and how you can also download it. Of course, this is my Weidian app, and you can see I have chatted with different suppliers from this platform, and you can see these are varieties of items you can purchase. You can purchase both used sneakers, you can purchase both new products and used items from this platform. Okay, so the first thing is how you can download Weidian app. So go to your Play Store, open your Play Store or App Store, then you type Weidian app. So typing Weidian app is going to take you to the app. So you can see here, this is the Weidian app. This is how the logo looks like. Okay, so I've already downloaded it. That's why you can always see it in this form. So once you are done downloading, then you can go ahead in opening the app, which is this app. And I've signed up an account with these guys, and I've been talking to different suppliers like I've said before. So you can just come here. Let me take you through the sign up process. So the first thing I'll do here is to log out my previous account, which I'm going to be doing now. Just going to tap on this settings icon, scroll down and click on this logout here, and boom, it has logged me out. So now once you're done downloading this app, it's going to take you to this surface where it's going to be giving you these two options for sign up. You can either use your Apple directly if you're using iPhone, or you connect it with your WeChat directly. These are two means of sign up option you can use. So if I say I want to connect it with my WeChat account, you can click on the WeChat logo here. It's going to bring out this page. Just click on this first option here, and it's going to redirect you to your WeChat app, and you are going to allow and grant all the permissions. And once you are done with that, you are going to click on accept and continue, then click on allow. Okay, so that haven't been done, it's going to take you to this next page here, where you are going to be adding your number to proceed with your registration. Okay, now if you don't have WeChat account, we sell WeChat account. You can make a purchase for already verified WeChat account from us. You can also do well to watch a video on how you can sign up the complete tutorial. Okay, how you can sign up WeChat completely. I'm going to be leaving the video under the description button of this tutorial. Okay, that haven't been said, now this is where you're going to be adding your mobile number. So you are going to click on this check down button, look for your country calling code. It's not necessarily you have a Chinese mobile number before you can sign up, right? And I've also recorded a video on how you can get your China mobile number, virtual app, and eSIM. I'm going to be leaving it under the description button of this tutorial, so you can also watch that and learn. Okay, so I'm going to be making use of +44, which is UK number, right? Which is this, and this is +44. I'm going to be inputting the number I want to use for this sign up. So once you're done inputting it, just click on this red icon here, and it's going to either take you in directly, or it sends SMS to the number to confirm your identity. So from here, this is another form of identity. You just long press on this red guy and drag it to this column directly. So once you're done passing the verification, you can see here that a code will be sent to the number directly, right? So I'm just going to log in, and this is the app right here, the code that has been sent to this number. So I'm going to click on the red guy to log me in, and you can see here it's just a one-time click. It's going to log you in directly. So you can see now that our Weidian app is ready to be used. So from here you can buy any sneakers, any products, maybe used item or new item on this platform directly. So you can see here you can buy a whole lot of stuffs from these guys. Okay, you can see we have different stuffs, different sneakers, different, you can buy hoodies, you can buy any other things from this platform. Okay, so that's how you can basically download and register Weidian app directly if you are shopping directly yourself. Okay, so what I'm going to be recording next is how you can add your warehouse address, and how you can also get a shipping address. Okay, that's what I'm going to be recording video on my next tutorial. So if you want me to help you make an account, sell already verified account for you, reach out to me with the number displaying on your screen. And you can reach out to me on Instagram at @ZionHubLogistics, TikTok at @ZionHubLogistics, then on WhatsApp on the number with the number displaying on your screen, and on Facebook at @ZionHubLogistics. Okay, so thank you guys for watching the video to the very end. I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye and peace out.